Frightening statistics tonight from the Department of Veterans Affairs saying veterans are committing suicide at a rate that's nearly twice the national average. The VA and medical mental health professionals say suicide is a public health issue and it is preventable. KNWA's Bree Jackson reports while the Trump administration continues efforts to improve the physical and mental health of our veterans, the VA says local communities and even individuals must step up to play a key role.
They've survived the battlefield, but veterans continue to come home and die by suicide. Statistics show veterans are among the most vulnerable populations for suicide, with a rate nearly twice the national average. Officials say ready access to firearms is part of the problem.
Access to lethal means like guns, for example, is a risk factor.
Dr. Matt Miller is the acting director of suicide prevention for the VA. He says the agency is working with state and local communities to expand resources for veterans at risk of taking their own lives.
Collaborating with the community to develop local community-based suicide prevention plans.
Miller also points to the VA's Be There campaign. It raises awareness about veteran suicides and encourages everyday people to support veterans.
We're doing a lot having to do with veteran suicide.
President Trump also directed the VA to purchase a newly approved drug to help treat depression and suicidal thoughts. Miller says the agency is still examining the effectiveness of the medication, but adds it's only one solution under consideration. He recognizes an arsenal of resources are needed.
Of right time, right place, right veteran, and making sure that those align and finding the right treatment.
Federal leaders say the battle to prevent veteran suicides is winnable, and they're committed to doing whatever it takes.
So are we progressing? Yes. Now, in context, one veteran suicide is too many, so we certainly are not resting.
And the Trump administration has committed more funding to help with mental health programs as well as suicide prevention programs with the VA. In Washington, Bree Jackson, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.